Type 1 diabetes is a condition in which the body produces little to no insulin. Insulin is what allows sugar to enter the body from the bloodstream to produce energy. If a person doesn't have enough insulin, this results in rising blood sugar levels and requires daily insulin injections. Both low and high blood sugar levels can be dangerous and, if not properly regulated, can have potentially harmful effects such as blindness, kidney disease, heart disease, and amputations. Sernova is the clinical stage regenerative medicine company developing a new approach to treat diseases such as type 1 diabetes. Sernova's cell pouch is a small device which, once implanted in the body, creates a safe environment to transplant therapeutic cells. These therapeutic cells can then restore the body functions and release the missing factors in the body as needed. For diabetes, the cells respond to elevated blood sugar levels by releasing insulin. Sernova's regenerative medicine solution could be used for diabetes and other chronic diseases such as hemophilia A, thyroid disease, and other rare diseases. Sernova is currently in clinical trials in the U.S. at the University of Chicago. For more information, visit sernova.com.